This episode was brought to you by My Extraordinary Productions. Have a professional look at your script before someone rejects it. People love giving the very encouraging advice that you are the only thing getting in your way. You just need to get started. But they don't tell you how to get started. So, for you writers out there, here's how you could get started. So first things first, why are you interested in writing? Are you one of those writers who can only imagine themselves writing and you really want this to work out because you just don't see yourself doing anything else? Or are you just a person who thinks, hey, this could be an avenue. I don't know, I would like to at least explore this avenue before saying I am not a writer. So once you've figured out where you kind of fall in that continuum, now you need to figure out what is the bare minimum you need in order to be happy. It's fun dreaming big and thinking about writing the next Broadway musicale or being on primetime television. I suggest you dream medium and small as well. So what is the lowest tier of success that you need to reach for writing to be worth your time? Is it just doing the occasional fringe festival? Is it Broadway or nothing? What would be a good level where if you never made it beyond this level, that's fine, you're happy? While you're figuring out the bare minimum for you to be happy, try to figure out what you don't want to do, what kind of writing you don't want to participate in. This is also very valuable information. Let's look into taking a writing class. Maybe your high school, community college, or your university offers a writing course. Maybe there's something you can do online or at a private studio. Maybe there's some sort of alternative venue that's available in your community. The point is, take classes to get started. Now, even though I just said take classes to get started, writing can be done in a vacuum to some extent, so you could just try writing some scripts on your own. If you do choose to go this route, you are eventually going to need other people to read your writing to give you feedback. Make sure that these are trusted friends, diverse friends, who give really constructive feedback. Since you're already writing, now you can use some of this time to figure out what you do and don't like writing. Maybe you enjoy sitcoms, you just don't like writing for them. Or maybe you enjoy commercials more than you thought you would. The most important basic skill you need to come out of this with is the ability to format your script. Because one, you need people to be willing to read your script, and two, you need everyone to be able to understand what is going on. I've mentioned in the past that I'm not the biggest fan of internships, but a script coverage internship can teach you a lot about writing. You go through literally hundreds of scripts and you start figuring out what the format should look like, and you start figuring out what works in a script and what doesn't work in a script. Since you're already writing scripts for a class and you can do this sort of thing on your own, you can use some of this time to start building up your arsenal of scripts. Most people think of feature-length films and plays. You should also look at pilots, you should also look at spec scripts for TV shows, you should look at shorts, web series, just create an arsenal. Personally, I find spec scripts to be the most challenging to write because I might know what a character in a certain TV show would do and say, I just don't necessarily know the exact string of words they would use. Eventually, you will want to send your scripts out to people. Agents and managers may be interested in representing you, and your producer friends might be interested in collaborating with you. So, ideally, you are getting your longer works copyrighted and you are getting them registered with the WGA. Those are two different things, by the way. For your shorter scripts and for your spec scripts, it's kind of your call whether or not you go to the copyright office or not. Filing a copyright costs $50. And if you have 100 scripts, that could be $5,000. And that might be a lot of money for you at this moment. So when it comes to short scripts and spec scripts, it's kind of your call. Now, there are two ways of getting your scripts produced. Number one is to hire someone like me to do it for you, specifically hire me to do it for you, or option two is to do it yourself. Remember, no one is going to champion your script as much as you. Either way, you're going to have to be the driving force. It will take a lot of your time. It will take some of your money. Even if you fundraise, it may still take some of your money. But it might be worth it to you if you really want that portfolio piece at the end. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons below. Be sure to follow me on social media. Leave your questions, leave your comments, and I will see you all next time.